Hi, and welcome back to Deep Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. Now, a few months back, I created a course called Milo App Empire, where I showed you where I was able to build apps and put them online. Now, since that time, I didn't do anything other than help my users actually build their apps. I have a lot of customers that I had to build their apps. It's a done for you service that I had and everything. So I never really had the time to come back in and actually do anything with my business in the app world. But coming back in, I see that I started making sales without me noticing, and I was able to generate $40. But you're like wondering why at $40 on a product that is like 199 or 99 cents. Okay, I didn't put my apps a lot of money just to make those sales to see what happens, and then I can up the sales once I get the reviews. I've got the whole training inside Milo App Empire where I showed you, but the system actually works. This is something that I taught you how to do, and if you followed suit, you would have been able to do that. Now, the ones that didn't have the chance to get inside Milo App Empire, this is your chance right now. And the reason why, because I'm going through this actual course right here. Not a course, it's like a software type course that actually helps you build your first app and puts it in line with whatever platform that ties in with whatever you want to do, so that you can put an app out there online, just like Justin has. This is Justin Burns, that he's been able to build these apps, sell them on JVZoo, for example. You can do the same thing with Warrior Plus, JVZoo, other platforms as well online, and many other strategies that you're going to learn either through my bonuses that I'm going to be giving you if you went through the the apps built with AI software training type thing. So basically what you would do is come in this dashboard, and then he's got everything set up so that you can come in and find what idea you might want to look into. So you can choose any of these categories, and you want to say, like, for example, I want to do something in health and wellness, and you can do maybe for intermediate, and then you can see that this could be an idea that you can basically build. And it tells you what you can do, the opportunity, and then you can start building. Now, let's say we started building it, then you can start coming in and saying, like, what's the name? You can generate a new one. You can you go through all the little the step-by-step process. So telling it what you want to do. Do you want it for a mobile? Do you want it for iOS, for desktop, etc.? What do you want to generate? You can have the built-in AI actually build also the information about this. This is something that I would create as well. This is why I like this, because it makes it easier. So you can just sit here and play around with the AI to actually fix things up. I didn't set this up with any AI tools. From what I'm understanding, AI is built in. So this is doing it on its own. So it's cool. I don't need to use AI, etc. And it's building, and I'm fixing all the features slowly, and I can fix them, change them if I want to, and then move on to the next step. Now, once you get that idea, you can continue building. It tells you where you should build it, why you should build it, etc. It tells you all the details that you need, and then you continue. Now you can come here and start designing the logo. You can create your logo. You can create a new one. You can build all that, and it fixes everything up so that you can use it inside the final step, which is you taking that well, I could have done the AI generator. It will just do basically everything for you to set it up, and then help you get a domain as well, so you can use it for your final putting it together. Okay, so it's like getting a domain, building the app, putting it on the domain, and then selling it and connecting your Stripe or your PayPals and all that. Okay. Now there is some work that I need to do here in order for it to be fully better. Okay. Because right now I'm doing it real quick, and then you can do the generate the specs, and from based on all the information that you just did, it's building a final kind of like prompt that you're going to be using, so you can push it over into the builder that you're going to be doing it. Okay, so you can copy the builder prompt, and you can generate it and move on to the next part. And then you say, like, what do you want to do? Let's say I'm going to do a desktop, and it tells you which platform is the best one for you to do this. So I want to do maybe I don't know about the free version, but let's go ahead. Or you can put a price to it, but I'll just do it free for now. Okay, and then we'll do this, and then no trial demo only. The best metric to value delivered to skill. Um, active members. I'm doing it really quickly right now, so I can get it out there, so I can show you the final part. Okay, so here are the recommended. You can add your own features. You choose whichever ones that you want to move on and do. Uh, Nothing, view, and it's gonna tell me how much it will cost me to go out and do this, for example. Or if I want to do with the free, let's go with the free. Generate the in-app onboarding. So it's gonna build a web screen. It's not building the software itself. It's building the full-on prompt that I'm gonna be using for this. Okay, tooltips, checklist. Now we have the welcome emails that we need to set up. Okay, so we got everything there. We've got all the details ready, and let's generate our prompt. And it's gonna say like I chose, like, for example, the platform. There's this place, Lovable, or you can choose another one called, like, for example, Rourke. Um, okay, so here we are, and we're gonna generate. Now I can go to my platform and say, for example, I wanna do it for Rourke. Okay, and then you come into Rourke, you take that and you push it there, and then this is gonna actually build it for me for the iPhone, for example. Okay, so I took the whole prompt and put it in Rourke. This is my favorite platform. I've got a couple more. I'm not going to be revealing to you. You're going to find out all that in Milo App Empire, because you're going to be getting that for free access. You're going to be getting my 45 plus blueprints that you can use for ready-made apps. And you're going to be having me build an app for you based on my information that I'm going to be having for you. That's right. I'm going to be building an app for you and delivering for you. Okay, so it's a huge bonus that I'm giving you for this to save you time, and I think a lot of you you're gonna love the types of works that I do, because I'm not only just delivering, I'm creating a website for your app as well, and based on where you're gonna be promoting, where you're gonna put this, everything's gonna be ready in files for you to take and use and push over into the App Store, or you want to do it for Google Play, it's the same thing. And the Built with AI, the Apps with AI platform will show you how to actually put this on Google Play, but also Milo App Empire. I've got directions, instructions, and you're covered in all types of things. I'm also going to be giving you a free access to LaunchMate AI, which will help you take this and put this app into Warrior Plus, for example, to launch it. The full on steps on what you need to do, built by AI, to help you push over this product that you can create and build a software out of an idea that you might have. Now, this is something, again, that is for non-techs. You don't know how to code. I don't know how to code. So using these platforms to build these apps for you can generate you a very good income if done right. And you need to focus. If you don't have an income source at all, then this is a chance for you to actually build something from scratch, from an idea that you might have had from many years ago, and you decided, I want to take action. I want to build a business out of software now that I can do it through these platforms, through Demetrius's training, through this apps built with AI a checklist board where it creates everything. My idea helps me create it into a prompt to put it on these platforms like Rourke, like Lovable, like Base, and I've been building and building and building apps so much you can't imagine what I've been building. And I haven't released half the stuff that I've been building because my head is going to explode from the ideas that I have. And I still want to build more apps for the App Store. I just don't have the time, but I will. I do have the knowledge and the tools. So to me, it's I'm okay. I'm trying to help you build an income online. That you're the one that's going out there trying to find the next big thing, the push button riches. Well, this could be the easiest one that could bring you a huge ROI if done right. Get any idea, your idea, and put it into these platforms. This is building it right now for me as I'm talking to you. Okay, so this app is being built right now, and I don't need to do anything but just ask it questions to finish it, building it. Then I can run it on my device. I can publish it. I can put it online. I can put it on desktop. I can put it on Google Play. I can put a price to it. It's non, this is not based on theory. This is based on real results that people are making. People are becoming billionaires, millionaires from these apps, and from having the time to sit down and actually do this. So you're getting a full-on software platform to go out there to help you build your foundation. Okay. And it's pretty awesome because you can save these, you can edit them, you can add, you can change, and you can create as many ideas as you want from the ideas hub, from the resources that they're giving you here. There's all these platforms and places that you can do. Now, understand something. You have a scarcity timer here for these bonuses. They're going to be for a limited time, and then I'm removing them, okay? Because these are bonuses that I'm actually still selling today. They still work today. They've been just launched, and I thought it would be perfect to basically match it up with a good product that could help you, motivate you to get started, okay? So I'm offering these 4 bonuses, okay? Once again, Milo App Empire, one of the greatest courses that you can find right now in building apps for iPhone or App Store. And I've got it all here laid out for you, okay? And then you also get my Auto One, which is the blueprints that you're going to be using for different categories that are ready to go. Okay, the app concept, instead of going through the process that you might be doing in the blueprint thing, then you can actually do it through my done for you part right here. And also, one of the best apps is me creating an app for you. So I'm going to build your app for you. I'll pay for the cost, the development cost, for everything that you need for that one app. Okay, so this is a complete done for you system. You got nothing to lose, and you got me on your side plus the training. And it's only if you came and picked up the blueprint builder, the apps built with AI, which only costs like about 27. For the offers that I'm offering you, my Milo App Empire costs like 27 now, and over $100 for the upsells as well. So you're in good hands here for you to go ahead and set it up. This is a perfect for anybody starting out. This helps you direct you properly how you need to build an app. It's more making it more custom because you don't know how to write prompts. Maybe you don't know how to use AI. This will help you set it all up. I didn't set up any AI in here. Okay, I don't believe I did. Nope. I didn't use any AI tools. It's all built in, which is great. It's just you're going to be paying for the building of the app on the platforms that you choose to go with. Okay, I have my personal ones that you can use. They're also referred to from here, or you can do whatever it is that you want. But the idea here, it works. I think it's a great tool to help you. And plus my bonuses, you can't go wrong. Okay, so you're getting all that. You got tutorials here on how to use it, but it's pretty much simple. You go through the stuff here and start building your apps and then following suit on what I just showed you. Now let's go back to work and see what it built for me. And you can see that it just built something for me right here. It's installing it as we speak. And here's my meal plan. So it just built the app that I did without me knowing anything. I went blind with what I just showed you. Okay. But it followed through the prompt that it gave me, etc. Okay, so it's pretty cool. It's showing me where I can go out and find these meal plans that I wanted to build, and it's pretty cool. It's a meal plan maker kind of thing. But I built it while I was showing you how this blueprint thing works. I didn't do anything. I just came in talking to you and I copy pasted. I didn't even do it right. Okay, but it did build something that I can go out and then I can publish. Okay, and you can go run on your device. You can share it. You can take it, it's live, okay, and all that. All right. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this review, this type training of how easy it is for you to go out and create an app somewhere. But this will help you. This will help you get started, build your foundation, and then we can take it there from my Milo App Empire. You can follow through with what I'm showing you here because this is actually making me a small income on the side. Again, You need to learn how to focus, build this into your business, and keep this as your full-on business if you got nothing else. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and remember, you are picking this up from my links. Once you pick it up from my links, the bonuses are delivered in a Google Doc where you're going to find it under the access in your JVZoo account for access of the apps builder with AI. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next video.